Hello students, we'll start with the new numerical. So problem statement of this one is determine the step, ramp and parabolic error constants for a unity feedback control system whose forward path transfer function is given as g of s is equal to k by s 1 plus zero point 0.1 s 1 plus zero point 0.5 s. So this is the value of given g of s. So I need to find its parabolic error constants, ramp error constants and step error constants. Those are given as kp, kv and ka. We have the formula for kp as limit s tends to 0 g of s into h of s. Here h of s is 1 because they have mentioned it is unity feedback control system. Therefore kp is equal to limit s tends to 0 g of s. So if I substitute here g of s, since s is in the denominator of this term, if I apply the limits s as 0, so that results in k by 0, that results in what? Infinite value. Similarly, if you want to find kv, that is ramp error constant or velocity error constant, which is given as limit s tends to 0, s into g of s. So if I substitute g of s here, this s and this s will cancel. Wherever s is there, if I substitute s here 0, here also 0, I'll get k by 1 into 1, that results in what? K. So this is what the ramp error constants. The third one is what? Parabolic error constant, that is acceleration error constant. We have the formula for that, limit s tends to 0, s square into g of s. So if I substitute s square here and as well as g of s here, so one term s in the numerator will appear. If I apply the limit as s tends to 0, so that whole answer results in what? 0. Therefore, step, ramp and parabolic error constants for the given g of s are infinite and k and 0, right? So let us move on to the next numerical. The problem statement goes in this way. The following function are given for a single loop non-unity feedback control system. Remember here, so the system is what here? It's a non-unity, means here h of s will not be is equal to 1, right? Find the steady state error due to unit step, unit ramp and unit parabolic input, that is t square by 2. Understand? So here in the first step of first category of numerical, in that g of s is given as 1 by s square plus s plus 2. H of s for that function is what? 1 by s plus 1. Similarly, b. Now let us solve the first one, a section. So that is open loop transfer function is given as g of s into h of s. Just multiply these two. So 1 by s square plus s plus 2 into 1 by s plus 1, that results in 1 by s plus 1 s square plus s plus 2, right? So now need to find kp, kv as well as what? ka. We have the formula for kp, that is limit s tends to 0 g of s into h of s. So this product already we have found out. Substitute back here, just apply the limit as s tends to 0, here 0, 0, 0. So 1 by 0 plus 1, 0 here, 0 here 2. So overall answer will be what? 2, or kp 1 by 2. So it will be what? Kp is equal to 0.5. Similarly, if you want to calculate kV, so we have the formula limit s tends to 0, s into g of s, h of s. Substitute here g of s, h of s value here. So substitute the value of s here, 0 here, 0, 0 here. So overall results in what? 0. Next we need to find Ka also. So we have the formula limit s tends to 0, s square, g of s into h of s, right? Since the term in the numerator is s square, so it results in what? 0. This is how Kp, Kv, Ka value for what? 1 by 2, 0 and 0 for first set of g of s and h of s. Now let us find steady state errors. How exactly errors for these Kp, Kv, Ka values, right? So in that first one, steady state error due to step input. We have the formula for that, 1 by 1 plus kp. We have already found out the value of kp, how much it is? 1 by 2. 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2. So that results in 2 by 3 value, right? 2 by 3, right? Next, steady state error due to ramp input, that is given by 1 by kV, which is equal to 1 by 0, results in infinite value. Steady state error due to parabolic input, so which is given as 1 by Ka, which is equal to 1 by 0. So if you substitute here 1 by 0 here, so that results in infinite. Therefore, steady state error due to step, ramp and parabolic values are 2 by 3, infinity and infinity. Now this is a solution for the first case. So in the second case, we have g of s and h of s different value. So if you multiply those things, that results in here. So that is the given here 1 by s into s plus 5 into h of s is what? 5. So that results in 5 by s plus 5. Now need to find kp, kv, ka. We have the formula for kp what? Limit s tends to 0, g of s into h of s. If I substitute here s as 0 in the denominator, all results in what? Infinity, right? Similarly, you need to find kv also. If you find limit s tends to 0, s into g of s, h of s, substitute this one g of s, h of s here, that s and this s will cancel each other. So if you apply the limit as s as 0, so results in 5 divided by 5 results in what? 1. Similarly, you need to find ka also. We have the formula for that, limit s tends to 0, s square g of s, h of s. Since s square in the numerator, the one s will cancel with this s. So one s term in the numerator, if I apply the limits as s tends to 0, so that results in what? 0. So these are the kp, kv and ka values for the given g of s, h of s. Now our task is to find what? Steady state errors. Similarly, as we have found it here, same thing kind of procedure is followed. Steady state error due to step input is given as 1 by 1 plus kp. Substitute the value of kp here, infinite. Infinite plus 1, again it will be a infinite value. 1 divided by infinite will be 0. So therefore, steady state error due to step input will be what? 0. Similarly, steady state error due to ramp is given as 1 by kV. We have the kV value as 1. 1 by 1 will be results in what? 1. So steady state error due to parabolic input is given as 1 by Ka. Ka what value we have got? 0. Substitute here 0. 1 by 0 will be infinite. So this is how we need to find Kp, Kv, Ka for given g of s and h of s values, and also need to find steady state error due to step, ramp and parabolic inputs. So these are the some standard kind of numericals. So look into the next one. How exactly problem statement goes in this way. System with the unity feedback means h of s is here 1 shown in figure. Determine steady state error for the step and ramp. So here they have given g of s here and h of s is unity feedback is equal to 1. They are asking you to find what? Steady state error due to step and error, means ESS due to step, ESS due to ramp. So we have g of s, h of s as given here 10 s plus 4 whole divided by s plus 1, s plus 2, s plus 5. So need to find kp. We have the formula limit s tends to 0, g of s. So if I apply here s as 0, since s is in the denominator, that results in infinity value. So if you want to find kv, limit s tends to 0, s into g of s, means this s and this s will cancel. Substitute here 0, here 0, 0, 0, 10 into 4 whole divided by 1 into 2 into 5, means 40 divided by 10 will get. So that is results in what? 4 as an answer. So now we have found out Kp and Kv. We need to find steady state error due to step as well as ramp. For that, we have the formula again, what we discussed in the previous numerical. Steady state error due to step input is given as 1 by 1 plus Kp, which is equal to 1 by 1 plus infinite, that is in what? 0. Similarly, steady state error due to ramp is given as 1 by Kv, which is equal to 1 by 4, that results in 0.25. So these are some standard kind of numericals. Need to find Kp, Kv, Ka as well as steady state error due to step, ramp and parabolic. So rest of the things we'll discuss in the next class.